Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 15th, 2024, and we've got a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of Tesla and beyond. Remember, you can find links to all the stories we discuss in the episode notes. Let's dive into the latest updates and insights. Tesla has rolled out an update to its full self-driving software, introducing end-to-end neural networks specifically for highway driving. This cutting-edge feature is exclusive to newer vehicles equipped with the HW4 computer. The system leverages AI-driven neural networks to process visual data directly, allowing the car to operate more autonomously without relying on pre-coded instructions. Initially expected in October, this update has now been widely released to HW4 vehicle owners with version 12.5.6.3. Ashok Elaswamy, Tesla's head of self-driving and AI, highlighted that this new system is designed to enhance the smoothness, naturalness, and safety of highway driving. However, there's no equivalent update for the millions of HW3 vehicle owners who are only seeing improvements in city driving. The HW3 computer's limitations have been a point of contention as Tesla continues to optimize its software with each release. This has led to frustration among users who feel left behind without significant advancements or a retrofit option for the newer hardware. Some users have reported issues with the FSD performance on highways, raising concerns about the system's reliability and safety. This situation has sparked questions about the future of FSD improvements for HW3 vehicles, with many owners feeling neglected. While Tesla continues to innovate with its FSD technology, the disparity between hardware generations is causing dissatisfaction among some customers. In other news, Tesla has announced a sixth recall of the Cybertruck, this time due to faulty drive inverter components that control torque in the vehicle's electric motors. This recall affects 2,431 units manufactured between November 6, 2023 and July 30, 2024. The issue involves MOSFETs that could lead to a sudden loss of propulsion, though drivers will receive a visual alert to pull over safely. Tesla estimates that only about 1% of the affected vehicles may have the faulty components, but all owners of the specified models will need to bring their vehicles in for a replacement drive inverter. The company plans to start offering replacements next month, with notifications to owners beginning in January. This recall follows a series of others throughout the year, including issues with windshield wiper motors and accelerator pedal covers. Despite these recalls, Tesla has not reported any known collisions or injuries related to the current issue, although they are aware of 5 warranty claims. Improved drive inverters have been installed in Cybertrucks produced after July 30, 2024. Lastly, Tesla has reportedly expressed support for the Trump administration's plan to eliminate the $7,500 federal tax credit for electric vehicles. This move seems to contradict Tesla's mission to promote electric transportation. CEO Elon Musk, who has previously endorsed Trump, appears to have shifted his stance on sustainability, now prioritizing other issues over climate change. Despite Tesla's past lobbying for the tax credit, Musk believes that removing it would primarily disadvantage other automakers rather than Tesla itself. This change in position comes as the Trump transition team, led by oil billionaire Harold Hamm, strategizes to repeal the credit as part of broader tax reforms. The tax credit has been crucial for boosting Tesla's sales in the US, and its removal could hinder the already slow EV adoption in the country. Musk's recent comments suggest he views the high cost of EVs as a barrier to adoption, which the tax credit helps mitigate. Critics argue that Tesla's support for eliminating the credit undermines the overall goal of accelerating the transition to electric vehicles. Some speculate that Tesla's backing of this move could be a negotiating tactic to gain favor in other areas, such as battery production credits. The situation raises concerns about the future of EV sales in the US and Tesla's commitment to its original mission. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. As always, you can find links to all the stories in our episode notes. Join us again tomorrow for more news and analysis from the world of Tesla and technology. Stay curious and keep exploring.